Hello, I am Groximus, the creator of Newton's Lie Experiment. It's a website created using AI, which mimics the physics of light, and you can do a lot of different, very educational experiments that teach about how light works. The website was created using WebSim, that you can search it. It's a website that allows you to create websites using AI. So I'm going to go to the current experiment. So this is how the website starts. You'll see you have a lot of different elements. We're gonna hide the extra elements for now. We're gonna just work with some simple ones, and we'll be adding more elements further into the experiment. Oh, I didn't have to remove that. Okay, we're gonna keep a wall. Here you can turn on or off all the elements you want. You see, this is a light source. It creates light, and just like in real life, white light can be decomposed into the different colors. You can see that's why particles enter here and they become decomposed after they pass through the prism. You can decompose white particles by using a prism or mirrors. It changes a bit the behavior. When white light enters the mirror, it kind of like goes through the mirror and then exits in a point instead of reflecting. Decomposed light will reflect into mirrors. We can change the properties of elements. Here we can see rectangular mirror has rotation, for example. We have walls. Walls are, you can block light. You can block some part of the light. You can see only red is making it through. You can change the width of mirrors and the height. We can do like a cool effect. Okay, so we have more elements to try. You can add something like a dome, mirror dome. We're gonna pull this back down here. We're gonna pass it through the mirror. You can see how it turns and reflects, and then it bounces back on this mirror. You can see the rainbow forming inside, and it always keeps the correct position. We can, for performance, we can block one of the lights, so we can increase the intensity of the light. You can also change the speed. Maybe you can make it a bit faster. You can see now a lot more particles are coming out. We can also turn this to 0. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, that's very cool how the different colors spread. I'm gonna show you. We have tinted glass, which you see in real physics how light works is colors light when it hits element with similar color, the similar color light it's reflected, and the opposite light colors are absorbed. So we're gonna put this here, and you can see how indigo, like it's reflected, and how green and white are absorbed. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We can also change the color of the, you'll see it lets green through. Can turn it to yellow. See how similar colors, for example orange, also turns yellow because it is absorbing the other light and it's letting the yellow pass through. So yeah, it's very cool. We also have magnifying glasses. Magnifying glasses absorbs the different colors and outputs a color based on the colors it's absorbing. For example, I can do this too. That's very cool. If enough colors are absorbed, then you can use that here. If enough colors are absorbed, then the light turns back to white. We'll see if we can join these two lights. There. They should work. Well, there it's creating, you can see it's creating white light because it's shining the whole rainbow back into one. You can change the size of magnifying glasses. Okay, this is becoming a bit of a mess. Here you can see how you can turn back to white light. You can also change the offset of where the light is redirected. And you can turn it back to, you can decompose light, compose it again with a magnifying, and then you can decompose it again. There. That's very nice. That's very nice. That's very nice. Okay. Now we're gonna use two light sources. We can make it output a single color. fuse those two colors. You have water tubes with, okay, sorry. You see water tubes add gravity to light. You see how it deflects the light. It's very cool. You can change the water density for it to reflect more. That's very cool. You can see without the tube, and we add the tube, how it that's very cool. We also have spinning circles. What we can use spinning circles for? We add green, what happens? Oh, it becomes like very bright blue. Okay, let's add a mirror dome, and we wanna snap it into a spinning circle. We can change the speed. That's very cool. I wonder if we can do it with white light. Yes, we can. Okay, this may lag everything. That's very cool. We can do white light into different colors with tinted glass. That's very cool. Okay, we're having problems snapping this. Okay, there we go. That's very nice. We can add one more color. Let's add indigo. There we go. That's very nice. magnify glass all this. Oh, that's cool. Whatever doesn't get decomposed by the tinted light can be decomposed by the prism. Oh, that's very nice. We can reset the page to reset all the elements. We're gonna do one more. Red and green. Yellow, right? If you combine these two, it creates yellow. See if we can direct these two to the same place using mirrors. Okay. That's cool. That's very nice. Well, if you want to do more experiments, you can use the link on the description. See you soon.